Kristaps, the Knicks are on a roll. You guys just won 6 games in a row. You just smoked the Jazz at home. How are you feeling? How's everything going?
Oh, I'm just doing great. I'm feeling good out here. Recently I went on my social media accounts to holler at some tatis, and I saw some things that I didn't like. LeBron James was talking spicy, saying that he's the king of New York. Let me tell you something, motherfucker. You're not the king of New York. You live in Cleveland. You understand me? I'm in the hood, in the trap all day. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the Bronx. I'm in Queens. I'm in Brooklyn. I'm in Staten Island. I'm everywhere. I'm the real king of New York, motherfucker. Nobody else can catch an alley-oop from the fucking half-court line and dunk it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's fucking NBA Jam. You know what I'm saying? Is it the shoes? No, it's not. It's me. It's Kristaps. It's Latvia, the Latvian god, a.k.a. Alabaster Ewing. Suck my dick from the whole back. You understand me? Latvia and the fuck up. I'm the king of New York. LeBron James, next time we see you in April, motherfucker, it's going to be April Fool's Day because I'm going to meet you at half court and snuff you. You understand me? I'm going to push your hairline back 10 more inches, motherfucker. KP in the motherfucking house. Holla.
Okay, that was strange. Okay, guys, listen, this is Bodega Boys episode 89. Enjoy the art. Do the drop.
That's right, do the fucking drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
KP, they meet in mid-April?
Yeah.
Really?
Episode 89. Yeah, you know what it is. Bodega Boys in the building.
Yeah, nigga.
1989. Episode 89 of Taylor Swift edition. Taylor Swift. Shout to her, you know what I'm saying? Slytherin. Some people say 1989 is her best album. I would go as far to say perhaps, because I've never listened to any Taylor Swift albums.
I was going to say, I've never
I heard that new song, Look What You Made Me Do, and I was like,
okay, no,
we're not doing this. No. Life is short, and I can't waste my 4 minutes listening to this trash.
No, I don't want to do this.
As always, we come to you live from Red Bull Studios, crystal clear clarity, yada, yada, yada. You know what I'm talking about. When you hear that sound, the THK, this mic is on. Do the drop. Yo. Now, some people say we shouldn't do the AKAs anymore. Says too long. It's not the first time I've heard that. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Baby. Just a pimp from the old Carolinas. I remember I used to be meeting women at the karate club in Harlem. You know what I'm saying? Put a little cocaine on the tip of my dick and get that freeze. You know what I mean? That's back when you used to call pussy cock.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Anyway, it's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Cheerio, Chris Tapper Sling Dick, Eli Litby, Boochers Blue Gullet, Somebody That Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Stay Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rendo. Mr. No Good, Mikhail No, 1994 in Nueva York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Lugunga P, putting up from 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in Ooh.
I don't fucking know you.
I don't know you. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to get to my destination. The original my +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son.
Yeah.
Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Are you getting prepared for Hanukkah?
Oh, it's very late.
It's gonna creep up on you.
8 days of love and knowledge.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Simba,
do not go there.
Don't let them cast Nala in the library. Johnson, don't let Beyonce play her. It's not gonna do it. Young Chakuliri out the coonery, a.k.a. Limo, left-handed reliever with the Yankees. Que lo que. Vasquez Mazuzaka, 3 phone Jones. Jesus H. Schmackina. J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label. Dalu. Leonardo DiTrapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Ula, a.k.a. You're listening to Washed FM. Up next, we have 18 hours of Milli Vanilli. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain the human meme, word to Jot, Young Aaron, the human provocateur, Hedrick Budcrust, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Kansumi, Vladimir Bufin, the human Werther's melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Deckerton, Ricky Twiggy Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morrissey, Chester, Mahatma Gandhi, Mr. Not Maccabee.
But I got a cucumber.
You know what it is. It's gonna hurt going in, but put your hand on your stomach. The juice of the press, what your boy never is. I am the art, damn it! The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, Miss Fashion Over, Casanova. William H. 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change, give me.
Big money wine.
Yeah. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at the square one, top left.
Yeah.
Mantis Marv.
Yo,
Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. Soft Pops, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me. Sonny D.
Lit.
David, you're mad. Mr. Shopping that street, easy with the bad breezes like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black 80 eye crack your back like a automatic crap matic. Mr. Lamarina, Mr. Marina, fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, aka you're problematic, baby.
Yeah.
Up next.
Yeah.
Coming to the stage.
The Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Driz Khalifa, aka Skirt Loader, aka Jinx Fatico Ghost on you, shorty. Catch me on season 4. AKA I know fucking baby, I'm fucking man, nigga.
Man.
Look at my hookah. Look at my dad. AKA check the guest list again, you fucking coward. My name definitely on there right next to Macaulay Culkin, nigga. I'm the fucking young king of the cul-de-sac. It's these right here, nigga. Fuck out of here. I'll smack the shit out of you, B. Call a promoter. And I'm not stepping to the side while you check. AKA I watched 2 weeks of toy unboxing videos, nigga. One day I don't give a fuck because I'm the fucking dad of the year.
Dad.
AKA Big Smack Biombo. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson. AKA Frighten El Messi. MVP of La Mota. AKA Tom Brady. Sure, you got my balls kind of deflated, but I'm eating kale. It's cool. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just
working on it.
Staying healthy, you know, just trying to prepare for the offseason. AKA the Dominican Dada. AKA Barlow Santana. AKA So Smooth. Ooh. AKA Dick in your Bay Matambo. You don't go on this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now.
Aww.
It's no use no more. Sorry.
Oh, we getting used to it.
AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito. So zany. Let me black out. AKA Ben Boston, my hands are gifted. I'll replace your frontal lobe with the transmission from an old Hyundai. Now you get 48 miles to the gallon and you even have a built-in easy pass. You're welcome. Cadney, whip up them yams. AKA Lighten El Dutchy. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got $5. You ain't got $5, my nigga. We buying dubs and better now, dog. We pop now. We popping. AKA I'll be your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga. Please secure your benzos, you fucking wing. Cause it's the Zen man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport. I got a car on decky. AKA Zeniel Bettingfield. I ain't gotta get some sticks. I ain't gotta get some sticks. AKA Nino Brown, King of the Carter. AKA East Street, my Stevie B. I wanna be the one your DD is fucking. AKA I'll pull up from 50 from the parking lot, nigga, in Oklahoma, cause I got nothing to do. It's your boy Barmelos Anthony. Bang! AKA from across the pond, mate. You know what I'm saying? Stir my own tea, cause motherfuckers is downloading tunes for niche. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed or dream on. Stealing sneakers right out of BJ's on Fordham. AKA, yeah. If you see me on Target, dog, and I'm opening a box of cookies illegally, don't look at me in my eyes, nigga. You know why? I'm an earth sign mammal, so you should approach me as such, bruh. I may react erratically. You know what I'm saying? AKA, claro que mi gente, Hasan, tírame la pista, que llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, bajando fresh en una pista europea, loco, desde el oteo hasta el octopete. Suavemente, como el bicrepa, papi, porque si no, te exploto. Mami, préndeme la juca, tráeme 5 palos. ¿Qué es lo que tengo la tabla? Acuéstate. Episode 89, motherfucker, we here. Yeah, nice and smooth.
We in the building. Episode 89.
Goddamn.
Oh, wow. Been a long week. Shout to, we was hanging with the homie Shumpert.
Yo, shout to Shump with the pump.
Shump with the pump came through. Rock the Funk, Master Funk Freestyle. My man CC came through. Bless the couch. Shout out illustrious show, you know, Desus and Mero.
All day. You know
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, nothing but illustrious guests.
Son every day, just
you
watch
know,
it.
Lots of great interviews.
You know what I'm saying? Just it was a little funny, but hey, you know what I'm saying? It's all good.
Yeah, every interview is special. Every interview is like a child. You gotta love it. You know what I mean?
Love it. Just love it for what it is.
Love it for what it is, not what it could be. There you go. You know what I'm saying? Love us with your mind and not your heart.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
That's the best way to not get hurt, Ma.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is on a roll, and Erica Badu came with a gold chain hanging out her mouth, and you know, just let us know what time it was.
I want to get one of those. She came, but she checked the temperature on the. She kept it funky.
Yo, I was just watching
a new show called Keep It 100.
Yo, I was very frightened and confused because I was just watching that chain swing from her mouth, and it was just like a fucking, what is that shit called? The tempo keeping shit, the little
a metronome.
A fucking metronome.
Wow. She was hypnotizing
I was
you.
Like, yo,
Real had to be careful. You don't want to fuck around, get that 5th kid.
No, chill.
Listen, you don't want your next baby's mother spending your child support on tea.
Come on, and yarn to crochet hats and shit. Like, nah, bruh. She came through with the wild crochet hat too. Like, the shit was huge. Yeah. I thought it had something in it. And the shit was just like a size of a comforter.
She's small, but she has a powerful presence.
Yes.
So you got to respect it.
You got to.
No shots fired.
No, not at all. No. This is all respect and love.
All respect and love. Peace, love, and happiness.
You know what I'm saying?
We full of love like a Ebony from Ebony magazine from September 1975.
You know what I'm saying?
Sitting on the counter of your dentist. Got your great grandma out there with her yammies.
Yeah.
You're like, wow, it's like eligible women of Spelman. You're like, Grandma,
Whoa.
Grandma, I can see your areola. She's like, baby, that's how it was back then.
Back then.
Look at how puffy my vagina was.
Wait, let me find out.
We never shaved. We used to put Lustre down there.
Damn, dog. Imagine you open black tails to your fucking auntie.
I mean, it happens across America. Also, opening a porn magazine, that means you're either in jail or you just got out of jail. There's no other reason for you to be reading paper pornography.
Paper porn.
No.
Don't do that.
Upgrade your life.
Upgrade your fucking life, man.
I was thinking about that because like I was going through some old shit from my old apartment. I found like all these like fucking porn DVDs, and I was like, oh shit, we litty too titty.
Oh shit,
it's like running into an old friend. I was like, oh
hey, what's up?
Hey, Tiny Star, you know?
Oh shit, how you doing?
Hey, Chocolate Deluxe.
Oh my god.
But then I was like, damn, I do not own anything that could play a DVD. Well, I guess the Xbox.
The Xbox, yeah.
Oh wow.
That's why I'm like stressed out because my Xbox is like
I'm not trying to put a porn DVD in my Xbox. Because that's gonna get reported directly to fucking Microsoft. And next time I go online and shit, it's gonna be like, hey, did you want to? Hey, Desus. Do you want to continue watching Big Shaky Butt 16, Scene 4?
Hey, look, recommended for you. It's shaking, quivering butts.
It's just blinking on the screen like, bling, bling. Please pick up controller. Bling, bling. I'm like, I think we got a virus.
You over here trying to stroke a salami, just says, please reconnect controller shit because the battery.
You're like, no.
Chill. The screen
I was at the cum shot. No. Like, I just gotta let it leak out and be frustrated for 20 minutes.
That's the worst. But you about to you got to bust out a rush nut?
Because it's buffers or just
you know what I'm saying? The rush
internet
nut
traffic. Just you get that
like,
fucking spinning pinwheel. You're like, no.
You're like, fucking, I gotta go in. Just close your eyes.
Because I can recreate this from memory. That's like when the doctor rips off the mask and just starts pumping on the chest with the hand. I got this. Don't you die on me.
Don't you die on me, you boner.
Don't you die on me, you ejaculation. God damn it, he's right there.
Yeah, you think it's just like, oh.
He's like, no. Don't go towards that light.
No.
Go towards the pee-pee hole.
I have to. I need to rest finally.
Damn it, not on my watch.
You've been stroking me for hours. Stop. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to God.
Oh, no.
You think it's coming to Jesus?
Oh, no. I need 55 cc's of Tushy. Stat! Put it in 720 mode.
Brian Pumper's like the fucking neurosurgeon. He's like, I'm trying to work it, man. Come on, man. Come on, big wet toes and toes.
Oh, man.
Come on, bro.
Oh.
Brian Pumper has a porn series called something about toes, like big wet butts and pretty toes. There's a lot of overlap in like fetish shit in porn. I mean, like you worked in porn, so you know. But like, it's hard to find regular ass Pino, I feel like. Just like
what's regular ass Pino? Nobody wants
regular like
nobody wants like
Pino.
what, like people just fucking missionary style shit?
Not even missionary, like
just regular, just
like yo,
because like
shorty pulls up, homie's there.
That's actually offensive to people who are in the other. Like if I'm gonna go through all the nastiness of opening up a fucking website or God forbid going to a porno shop, I don't want to have to waste my precious time walking past regular porn. Give me that nasty shit. Give me that nasty, that freak shit. That shit though, when you buy it, the person at the restaurant don't even look at you and nod. They're like, oh, here you go.
You're buying this.
Here you go. Okay. All right, no. I'm gonna put your change on the counter. I don't know where your hand's been.
He grabs the DVD from the stack that got mad DVDs in it because like you're the second nigga to buy the shit. It's like, oh, bestiality part 5, huh?
He's like, oh, so you waited for the Trump administration to remove that bestiality regulation. Good on you. Good on you. Nigga just watching a girl get yoked out by a giraffe and shit, getting that long neck.
Long neck. God damn. They're like, Joe, Jeffrey's tearing that shit up.
he's not a kid anymore.
I don't want to grow up. I'm special for vitamins.
Wow. What was the deal with that? There's Jeffrey, he had a sister or some shit, and the father.
The pops was like, it was very absent in their life.
Like, if you was a kid, like, if you're a giraffe, like, why are you playing with toys?
That's what I'm saying. But like Jeffrey was the star of the show. His sister was like second banana, and his pops was not there. And their moms didn't even exist. I don't think.
The mom probably ran out. She was like, "Nigga, you really trying to open a toy store in this economy?
You're fucking a giraffe.
You got 2 baby giraffes to feed. You over here selling fucking Cabbage Patch Kids and race cars and shit. It's the 80s. Nigga, go sell crack.
Get the fuck out of here. Talk about Tickle Me Elmo, nigga.
Took me these. What's the hot toy for this this Christmas. What I like to do, I like to hoard the hot toy and then resell them to frazzled parents.
Yeah, you gotta do that.
I be like, I go, yo, Ma, what's up? I got this. Took me almost $800. What's up? Take it or leave it. I got another guy in Scars that buy right now.
Right now.
Right, I hop on the Metro North right now.
He's on his way here.
Facts.
You could steal it out from under him, but you gotta act now.
What's up? You want this? You want your kid to know that you love them or nah?
Cop and go, man.
Let's go. You making it hot.
Come on, what the fuck?
Also, I'm gonna meet you at the train station, but I'm not going through the turnstile. I'm handing over the turnstile.
Just come through. Just come through.
I'm trying to waste all that.
You know what I'm saying? Bring somebody with you. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to meet you by yourself. Sus. Now, the new hot toy changes every fucking holiday season. This year, I have no idea what it is because I'm just on some shit like, yo, just here to take an iPad.
Oh.
And just download shit.
Oh, so you let them pick the toy.
That's what kids are doing now.
All right, I mean,
because the new hot toy is just, I feel like they picked that shit arbitrarily because they send that Toys R Us shit to your crib. Like even if you're not on a mailing list, that shit will find its way to your crib. Like they just smell children, so like you don't got to be on a fucking email list or like nothing like that. The shit will just find its way to your fucking mailbox. Your kid's gonna see it. They're gonna go fucking crazy. They're gonna open the shit up. It's like a Bible. They're gonna start circling shit they want, and then by the next thing you know, you fucking pop. And the only thing you open up for Christmas for yourself is a fucking pair of whack Ugg slippers.
Did you ever do that fucked up thing where you hide your kids' toys and then like reintroduce them to them later in the year?
Absolutely.
Okay.
All the time.
All right.
I'm running out of space. You know what I'm saying? The toys are getting handed down, and as soon as you stop playing with this shit for a week straight, I'm gonna pretend you forgot about it, and I'm gonna bring it back out 2 months later and act like it's new.
I mean, that's one way to live through life.
You know what I'm saying?
That's one way to make your way.
I'm actually running out of like. When you got 4 kids, bro, and you buying toys for 4 kids, like that's a lot.
Can't relate.
It's a lot. It's a
Can't
lot.
relate. I spend my money on sleeveless sneakers.
Seamless and sneakers.
It's true.
That's like a SoundCloud mixtape.
It really is. Seamless and Sneakers Volume 1. In stores now.
Yo, check link in bio.
Shout out to Land Rover, which has provided me and Mero both with 2018 HSE Range Rovers.
Yeah, boy, turbo shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm on Route 4 about to crash into everybody. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, that car is very hard to crash. It won't let you crash it.
It won't let you crash.
It won't let you crash it. It has an onboard computer.
It's like, yo, chill.
It won't let you.
You wildin'.
You can't even run someone over with it. The computer will shut off the engine if you try to run over somebody.
Fam, I can't.
That shit is whack. That's why I would never buy it. Nah, like if I spend $95,000 on a car,
I gotta be murdering somebody.
If I want to run over a nigga, like not saying I just want the freedom. I don't want the car limited to me. You know what I'm saying? Because what if like someone's trying to carjack me?
That's true. You got to pull off. You got to skirt off.
You know what I'm saying? Over.
Come on, England. Is that what they make Range Rovers? England?
I think they make them in America now. If you look, it's just gonna get you tight now because you're gonna think you see other Range Rovers on the road. And they're Ford Explorers. The Ford Explorer body looks like the Range Rover. Yeah,
damn. And I got the old Ford Explorer.
Also, to be clear, we were not given Range Rovers to keep. These are loners, bro. Niggas is popped.
Yeah, don't get confused, bro.
Don't get it confused.
Don't get confused. I see niggas. Victor brought it up the subreddit. I went in that shit. And there was niggas like, don't buy a Maserati. Why'd you get a 4.2 interest? I'm like, all right, bro, all right. You niggas are doing a lot. You're doing a lot of investigation.
My old 2 Jettas coming out the shop. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I'm out here in the 05 Accord. The shit is round.
Okay.
So many times I crash that shit.
I keep. Listen, I make smart investments. We're children of immigrants. We can't waste our money on chains of vehicles.
No.
We've been popped too long.
No.
If we like started getting popping at 20, maybe doubtful.
Even then, like my mom would have popped me in the mouth. Like, what did you find? Bancaderas, estúpido.
Like I still find myself cringing when I see rappers like on Baller Alert showing off their chains, and I'm just like, damn. I just hear that Jay-Z song like. Dumb nigga, like, nigga, you can't live in that. You gonna forget that chain in 10 years.
You're not connected.
Or like when we interview people, and we're like, yo, what'd you spend money on? And they're like, yo,
I spent $500,000 on this bracelet. I'm like, damn.
Yo, I bought half an island so I could have sex with one chick, and then I returned it at night. And you're like, why? Why would you do that? There's no way you was getting that much money.
That's not even a solid investment.
That's not real.
That's not reality.
Is it that they were getting so much money and they thought they were just gonna continue to get money?
That's what it is.
Right? Like you can't think like that.
You hit it's like selling drugs. You hit a little spurt, and you're doing great. And that's what these niggas think. Like, yo, they hit a little spurt for fucking 5 months. They're killing it. Like Fetty Wap. Remember when Fetty Wap was walking around with all that cash and he just was like in a parking garage and threw like $100,000 out of a fucking window?
Yeah.
I was like, fam, you're going to regret that.
Yeah.
Listen, like 8 months.
You got to treat every check like it's your last.
Yo, for real.
All that future baller shit? Not future.
Nah.
Not future. Nah. All that future baller shit? Nah, dog.
Nah,
man.
I'm sick of you niggas with now and later raps.
No, man. Buy some property. Buy some property or invest in a good money laundering scam.
I mean? Couple bodegas in the hood, couple barbershop in the hood. Wash the drug money through there.
There you go.
I'm gonna tell
yourself
you
a good coke flow.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying you should do that, but I'm saying you should do that.
Start an after school program for kids, and then at night, you know what I'm saying? Airbnb the building to white people. Listen, there's scams out there.
They'll do it.
They'll do it.
They'll do that shit. And
tell them that they can have an indigenous and rough and tumble night in a real urban environment.
Yeah, real authentic.
That's what we're going to do. We're going to open up New York City schools at night in bad neighborhoods to white tourists, and we're going to feed them city lunches.
Here,
take the full experience.
Yo, here, take the sake square pizza and I can eat that.
And then like halfway through the night, I'm going to come through with like a big bag and be like, inhale. And they'll be like, what is that? And I'll be like, asbestos.
Yeah, enjoy that.
Now you're a New York City school kid.
Yeah, now you're official, nigga. You got mesothelioma.
Mesothelioma gang. Shout out to all my lawyers out there.
Shout out to Salino Bars. I think Salino's doing shit dolo now. Like he's like,
Salino was like, yo, like listen, it's ain't enough room. Salino's on that Beyonce. It was like, yo, sorry, it's quiet for you. It's not. It's Destiny's Child, not Destiny's Children.
Yo, fam, why all these old groups getting back together? Is Destiny's Child really getting back together? Or they're doing a tour?
They never really broke up. Yeah. I mean, they got. It's not apart. There's a difference between like breaking up and y'all all have solo careers. Like everyone in Destiny's Child has a legit solo career. Yeah. Even Michelle. Yeah. Even Michelle. No shade to her.
I was about to be like, hell no, but then I remember there's 2 incarnations of Destiny's Child. There's the real
3.
Destiny's Child, and then there's like the old Destiny's Child was like 8 of them.
Yeah.
It's like Menudo.
And one was like went to jail for like bouncing bad checks or some shit.
Wild shit.
I don't know.
Yeah. I'm like,
how you was in a group with Beyonce and you're like just but we don't know. Maybe Beyonce's hard to work with. I doubt it. I doubt it. I feel like Beyonce is just a perfectionist. She just wants things a certain way as she is deserved to.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with that. When you are an artist, you need your shit a certain way.
That's it, bro. Respect the artistry.
Respect the artistry. Let the art build itself. Don't rush the art.
Let it breathe.
Don't rush the art. Maintain the art.
That sounds like a wild freestyle jam.
What?
Maintain the art.
Yeah. You should bring back. Oh, you should. Yo, you could become like the #1 trap freestyle producer.
Oh my god. Ooh. Yo, I'm in the trap, fucking old Puerto Ricans. I'm in the trap, fucking up on your DD. Oh, it's about to be lit. It's over. Oh, we headlining. We headlining Jiggle Ball.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
Nigga said Jingle Ball.
Yo, shout out to
Z100. Nigga said wow.
Yo, shout out to Elvis Duran. I thought Elvis Duran was Dominican for the longest because my mom's maiden name is Duran. And I got a cousin named Elvis. So I was like, oh, this Elvis Duran. I was like, yo, he got to be Dominican. I was like, man, how
because you pronounce it like that. If you pronounce it like that, every name is Dominican. Like,
and then I see the nigga on TV and he was like, I'm Elvis Duran.
Yeah.
I was like,
oh. He's like, I'm very clearly white.
Yeah, I was like, oh, he's not. Oh. Because the nigga's on the radio, you never see them. You know what I'm saying? And I finally.
But you can kind of hear from his voice that he's.
I was like, he's Yakubian in nature.
Oh, shout out to my. I got a bad case of SARS, but I made it through the week.
Yeah, shout out to everybody that's complaining about what's it called, misophonia. It's like, oh, when you guys talk on the mic, when you breathe on the mic, it irritates my ears. Well, sorry.
You know what?
Shit's free, nigga.
Let's talk about that. Let's talk about people complaining about stuff.
Enjoy free.
Let's talk about people complaining about this free podcast. Why don't drop on Fridays no more? Why is it so large? It's using up my data.
Oh god.
You guys repeated a story from. You know what? You repeated. You said that in one of the last 88 episodes.
You said that in 2013. I was like, yeah, bro, because it happened.
I mean,
2013.
Like, what do you want for free, guys?
Come on, guys.
Grow up. We give you our heart and soul on this
every day.
And this is how you treat us.
This is how you do us, man. Hey, me, want to screw me?
You know what I'm saying? Just enjoy it now, because when this shit go behind a $20 title paywall,
y'all niggas
gonna be sick.
What?
And the whole podcast is just gonna be the AKs, and that's it.
That's it.
And then Jay-Z laughing at the end. Like,
that's right. That's Bodega Boys. That niggas is cornballs. You paid $20 for this shit. I just gave you this niggas $20K. That's right. And a free title subscription. Shout out to Victor for finessing them. That's right.
Come on, Blue. We out of here. Bring your Basquiat.
Come on. Let's go watch some toy unboxing videos. That's right.
Oh, can't wait.
I wonder if Home does like that. Like, nah, they're probably not, because they're rich. They can't. They're probably not actually raising their kids. Like,
yeah,
I mean, they are, but like,
I mean, like, because he's on the 444 tour right now. Yeah. But Beyonce is
home.
No, she's on tour with him with the 2 kids and.
Oh shit. You could do that.
She could do that.
Yeah,
Come on.
you got plenty of
money.
Yeah.
There's a difference. Like they don't have. There's levels of shit.
Yeah.
Like there's different. You have different problems, different levels of money, and it's just like people until you get to that level, but you have no idea what those problems are.
I had no idea. I had no idea you were popped when you bought a house. Like I thought I was gonna be killing it. I was like, I'm out here, I'm doing it. I was like, oh shit, wait a minute, no, you're broke now. You're re-broke. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good.
It's like you know
what I'm saying? One step at a time. You know what I mean? Because yo, niggas a pop, bro. I can't. Look, when you got Jay-Z money, you could fly your kids and your entire family everywhere. Like, imagine if we do a Bodega Boys tour right now, and I'm like, I'm gonna fly my kids. I'm gonna be like, yo, I don't know. This is unlimited metro.
You're
gonna
have to wait 20 minutes. 6.
Like, yo,
they take that mega bus to meet you.
Listen, here's a boat bus ticket, my nigga. I don't know the Wi-Fi. Good luck.
Damn.
I'll meet you there.
Sad.
You know what I'm saying? But we pop.
Nah, 10 for Charlie. I'd be like, yo, so I sent a PA, yo, go get my cat.
Bring him. He's a carrier.
Bring him.
You know what I'm saying? I got a leash too.
As soon as they release him, he just run off in the field somewhere in Nashville and shit. I'll be like, well, fuck you.
Well, fuck you, nigga.
Enjoy bluegrass, asshole.
You dick. Don't come back.
Don't come back. He's one of those cats, like he'd come back like after 5 months. I'll be like, nah. Like you ran away 5 months ago. Don't come back now.
You had it good.
No. I threw out your litter box. Fuck that. Cat comes back. I don't know what experiences you've been through. Maybe you got radicalized. You not come back in my house. I know you been.
Fuck out of here. Start singing Tyrone to the cat and shit.
Tyrone. That was 20 years ago.
Yes.
That was a moment. 20 years ago.
God damn. Damn, niggas washed. Nah, niggas ain't washed. We unwashed.
We're not washed. We're just getting older.
Yeah.
I mean, being washed is not a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing at all. Motherfuckers try to make me feel bad about being washed. I'm like, bro, I'm smoking weed by the handful in a finished basement.
Yeah, like right now, we're popping washed. Yeah. Popping washed is better than being like
broke washed. Yeah,
being like dope, whatever. Like popping, I don't know. Nigga, fuck that. I don't know y'all niggas slang and shit.
popping out.
I'll be hanging with Paul Manafort and shit. You know what I'm saying? I'll be hanging with y'all regular niggas
I'm on some different vernacular
I'm
now.
on some different shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm with Rob Stone. I'm colluded with niggas. Y'all know I be with oligarchs. I be with Russians. I'm saying lock her up.
Shout out to Russia.
Shout out to Russia. Russia fucked us good.
Yo.
This country is fucked up, bro.
It's like it's not even.
But they didn't even do that. They were just like, all Russia did was like what every character in the real world does is just watch for like beef between characters and just make it worse.
Amp it up.
Just amp that shit up. Like you just gonna let her put a wet towel on your bed like that?
Oh shit.
Would it be me?
Yeah, no, that's nigga.
I mean, that just seems like she thinks you pussy.
Yeah, no, that's a fight on my block, my nigga. For real.
You just gonna let her walk past you and not say hello?
Oh shit! Ooh. Damn, she's spicy.
Damn.
Oh, she got. But nah, it don't matter. She got headphones in, bro. Like you supposed to greet niggas when you walk in the door.
I mean, I would have said something, but I mean, that's just how I was raised. That's how niggas get it. But I mean, if you want to be wild buttons on national television, you know what I'm saying?
That's cool. That's cool. You could be buns in front of 100 million people. That's cool. I mean, that's not me personally. Like I would have stand for that. But.
Yo, Russia was like, like. They treated black people kind of shitty over there. We was like, what?
Oh, shit.
And then there was like the white people like, yo, like, why didn't I stand there for the flag and shit? And the white people was like, what?
Oh, they were like, look at Colin Kaepernick. He's kneeling. I don't know.
And we fell for it.
Yep. Hook, line, and sinker.
Hook, line, and sinker. That's not a popular phrase in the black community.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a fishing phrase.
This is a fishing phrase.
Hook, line, and sinker.
Yeah. Shout out to my nigga P who I hit up the other day to fucking go do graffiti and the nigga was fishing. I was like, okay. I was like, you fishing, my guy?
I used to go fishing. Fishing used to be the
South
wave.
Ferry? Like downtown? By the ferry and shit? Yeah, exactly.
No.
Or like by the boat base and
shit. I'm not eating that nasty fish.
That's what I said. I was like, whoa. Wow. It's a wildin'.
Does he not like his life? Is that fish safe to eat?
I don't know. I wouldn't trust it. I wouldn't trust anything you fish
over there by the East River. There's definitely signs that say do not eat the fish.
Don't eat this shit here.
But the people in the PJs over there be eating the fish.
Don't care. They're like, yo, she got 3 eyeballs. I don't care. I'm still throwing shit right in a pot of oil.
Can you taste the mercury?
I'm like, why is this fish glowing, fam? Like,
it's only fish got more heavy metal than Guns N' Roses. You know what I'm saying?
Fish jump on the water like, fuck yeah!
Wham! Jump in!
Mercury!
I'm like, this fish tastes like cocaine. Fish got mad powder around his gills and shit. Like,
he's like, yo.
Kill me!
Yeah.
Kill me!
Hey, man, don't eat me, bro.
The scales off me.
Yo, chill with my scales, dude. We got the fish scale on deck. Yeah.
Yeah.
I caught another dope fiend fish. I throw shit back. She's like, Bobby,
Please, Papi.
throw me over.
No, flip me over, Papi. Take me to the bacalaito spot, Papi. Come on.
I'm good for it.
Let's go, Papi. Come on. Let's go to El Tina, Papi. It's lit over there.
You ever had a trout suck your dick?
Come on, my nigga.
I got no teeth.
You
Look.
know,
Wah, 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 wah.
no, they call me Big Mouth for a reason, Papi. Come
I'll
on.
hook my jaws. Whatever you want.
Look at this.
Listen, it's not gay. It's play.
People play, Papi. Come on.
That sounds like the wild Nike. This is okay. Just do it.
Just do it. Just patronize fucking bathroom sex and shit.
Wow.
Shout out to the homies who were smashing a cafeteria, though.
Bruh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shout out to those.
Shout out to them.
Shout out to those
Like,
two
it's not
young,
even- yeah, shout out to
young
them.
men, gentlemen who we walked in and they was just making out OD on each other. Like, wow. But the good thing about cafeteria is an intersection of all the cultures in New York. So you'll have like 2 white kids making out over here. You'll have a table with 4 black women over here. You'll have us and Iman Shumpert
what I'm saying?
and whatever
It's
chilling
mobbing.
over here. Just like a Spanish couple over here.
Yeah.
And nobody cares.
Nobody cares.
Everybody's just doing their own thing.
People
Everyone's
just
just trying to
doing their
figure
own
out
shit.
which mac and cheese they're going to get.
That's it, bro.
That's it.
Because it's like 7 kinds, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
And they're all great.
When cafeteria first opened, I did not think it would be around this long. Cafeteria is a
Standing
New
strong.
York institution.
It's an
It's so
institution,
weird.
bro.
It's so weird.
Yo, y'all got to buy the air rights so it could be around.
They already. So there's already buildings on top of it.
Oh.
Don't start just repeating shit you learned
Damn.
from Cat Delicatessen, nigga.
Damn,
over
bro.
here trying to act like you fucking Suze Orman and you know real estate and shit.
Yo,
They're talking about air rights.
Just bought a co-op on Bond Street. You know what I'm saying? Got the air rights. You know what I'm saying? About to build up. Get vertical.
So,
See on HGTV and shit. Like, yeah, I just bought the air rights to Toys R Us on Route 4. Niggas like, yo, this is worthless, my nigga. That's why you paid $15 for it.
I know nobody's gonna build above me. So how you feel?
How you feeling, stupid?
How you feel?
Yeah. When Route 17 starts flipping like hotcakes, yeah, I'm
17.
sorry.
We actually call it the 7th.
Yeah.
17th.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. It's
You
a
don't
new
feel like
town.
Jay-Z did.
Upcoming. It's Google's moving here.
Uh-huh.
Actually, it's As Jeeves is moving here.
Yeah.
And,
so, you know what I mean? When you're trying to cop and Lyco's done bought you out, you feel stupid.
how you feel? How you feel?
Dumbo.
Whatever happened to As Jeeves?
It got slurped up by something else, probably.
No, if you go to Ask Jeeves, it goes. Oh, it's Ask.com.
Ask.com?
What a sad. Look at this sad.
Yeah, it's mad boring.
This shit is like. This like yo, nigga, really.
Like that's
Really?
what y'all got for me?
That's what you. This is
That's
what you.
what you got for me?
This is what you searching for answers in your life.
This is you? This is what you do? This is what you hired a graphic designer to make that? Huh?
Is
Motherfucker.
this the worst search engine there is?
Yeah. It's like, absolutely not.
Top 10 word search engine. It shows mad slow. I think when you do an ask.com search, like it physically prints out on paper,
Yo!
and someone runs over to like a fucking file cabinet with like glasses, like
It's like, oh, shit. Let's see here.
big wet butts.
Sheldon, we need big wet butts 12?
It's in G6. You gotta go in the
G6?
basement.
Okay.
Get on the ladder.
Okay.
You gotta get the box off the top. First, you gotta fill out the requisition form.
Okay.
Before you go down there. Watch when you're on the ladder. It's a little shaky.
All right.
Okay.
Now, how do I scrub to blowjob? It says here. How do I do this?
Oh wow. We
Scrub?
don't have that technology.
What is scrubbing?
What file format are you watching it in? We only do it. We only do it in GIFs.
GIFs?
We only do GIFs. GIF porn.
This says MPG,
Whoa.
miles per gallon? What does that mean?
No.
What do we? What's
Tell them they gotta upload. They gotta download the new QuickTime update.
what? Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Put
come
the
back
little
with that.
pinwheel on their browser.
Okay, great.
That'll
great.
buy you some time.
Oh, a couple hours, right?
Yeah.
All right. Great.
Put the little banner ad with the giraffe upside down running
nice.
about tax rates.
With the tiny X in the corner so they can't close it.
Nice.
Let's go.
All right. It's the world's. You're at home like this is the
What is
world's slowest
Why is
fucking.
this shit so slow? I got a cable modem.
Meanwhile, Google, you don't even type the shit in and brings up the results. You're like, wait.
Well, I didn't.
Google's like, no, I knew you was gonna.
How did you? I just sent the
I
D.
knew from last week.
How'd you go to doggy
I knew
style
about it.
automatically?
25 miles.
What? You just get mad nervous.
You're like, what?
What? 25 to what? What?
Like 25 miles. It's just like, what? Google, you're bugging out. And Alexa's like, God bless you. You're like, what?
What? No! Then you Google home so
You're
second,
like,
I'll be like,
shit.
oh shit! Then you get killed by robots.
Killed by robots. Google robot takes
You know
over
what
your
I'm
life.
saying? I just seen a robot do a backflip on Twitter the other day, bro. I was
saw
nervous.
it. Okay, they're teaching robots to do a backflip. Does that seem like a good idea?
It's a terrible idea. Why are you teaching robots to kill niggas for, bro? Did you see that robot?
Don't you know, robot? There's nothing else they're gonna do.
They're gonna
Right
kill
now,
you.
we are the head of the. This is the problem. We have no natural predators. We're the top of the food chain,
That's it. Niggas are stupid.
and it's just like, why would
Are we
you?
getting bored?
It's nerds.
Do you got to make a new super predator?
You know, there's nerds, not nerds, but like engineers and stuff. They don't really be having this wild social life. So the time it would take, well, most people would try to be out there getting dick and puss.
Yeah.
They're in there, just locked in their rooms, just doing shit like this and making killer robots that are going to kill us all.
Yo, have you seen?
Why does a robot need to have a machine gun to be able to backflip?
Why? Why do you make it so that like it has 6 USB ports and it talks to me and answers questions before I ask them? Why?
It's danger Tings.
Have you seen fucking Sophia?
I saw Sophia.
Yo, that
the robot that they asked her,
out.
why does she want to kill humans? And if you're a robot, it makes sense. For humans are a big waste on the economy. They're a drain of resources.
Damn. The robot said, it was like, ... Well, I am an altruistic individual. I am programmed for the best outcomes. So, ... Like, what does that mean? That means you're definitely going to kill me, right?
I mean, that means the world would be a better place without humans.
Yo.
Think about it. There's probably more bad humans than good humans, or the bad humans have more influence than good humans.
What if humans just stopped doing shit right now? Like, right now, humans just ceased to exist. Like, what would happen? Like, would it really turn into, like, I Am Legend type shit with just, like, moss growing on fucking Times Square?
Yeah.
Or would, like,
the Earth would reclaim everything. Like, plants and shit would just grow through all the buildings.
Like, some nuclear shit wouldn't just explode because nobody's watching it and, destroy the
all
Earth?
that stuff would... Not,
you know what I'm saying?
The Earth can't be destroyed. The Earth will always be around. No matter what we try, we're just like a little blemish on them. The Earth will be fine.
Like, I'm good. Fuck out of here, bro. It's like a mosquito bite.
That's why it's so wild that we're doing so much damage, because I know other aliens and shit is like, yo,
they fucking that shit up.
We are the tenants that moved into the apartment. We're kicking holes in the wall and shit. Niggas smoking OD krills.
Yo. Damn, we didn't even have rats till these niggas came. How they got rats, bro? What the fuck? How you climbing in through the window of your own crib?
We're leaving garbage in the hallway because we're too lazy to take it out to the garbage can. Yeah.
Bro, the elevator smell like piss ever since these niggas moved in.
Ew.
What the fuck?
We're ruining the solar system.
Fucking the sun is like, I don't know.
I don't know.
This used to be a nicer neighborhood.
It used to be.
This used to be a great galaxy until they moved in. I don't know. I mean,
Pluto's like, oh, see, y'all niggas gonna throw a nigga out.
Oh, word?
Replace him with dumb niggas.
All right.
That's cool.
That's cool. Y'all have fun with that. Y'all have
Jupiter
fun with
mad nervous and shit, worried about her rings. Like, I think they're gonna steal them.
They're gonna steal my rings?
They're gonna steal my rings.
Oh my god. I like the dinosaurs way better. They were way more
Damn,
chill.
dinosaurs had a little run.
They had a strong run, a couple million years.
How terrifying would it be if like you just woke up and you were back when it was like old dinosaur, like when there's heavy dinosaur traffic?
I mean, damn. Do we still got the ranges?
Damn, do we?
You know what I'm saying?
That's important.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a hell of a commercial.
You know what I mean?
Also, Range Rovers driving away from dinosaurs and shit.
Just
Range Rover, cut the check.
You know what I mean? Let's make it happen.
And you could use that lift mode to get over like the little baby Velociraptors.
Ice Age kicks in, you just hit the heated steering wheel, nigga. You good.
Or the meantime, enjoying the smooth sounds of jazz from XM Radio, which is built in.
With the premium audio system.
Oh, yeah. And did you use the massage on the seats yet?
Yo, I just found out about this shit today. I was like, oh, shit. Nigga, what?
But that will
the
massage and the heat and steering will kill that battery, so don't get caught out there.
Yeah, nah.
So,
don't put the shit in park and throw the massage on like you good. Because the shit turns off.
Yeah, it turns off after 10 minutes.
You know what I mean? So
you people got to know that. Do you see the spotlight that comes out the window when you open it at night?
Nah.
A spotlight reflects on the ground right before your door, and it has the Range Rover logo. Wow. Listen, that's why niggas be getting murked for Range Rovers, nigga. And as a cautionary tale to you, my guy.
Damn, does he get smoked for Ranges? How much is that shit? What's that shit?
$95,000 just fully cut it out. You need to be careful, because remember, in the Short Hills Mall carjacking,
that nigga got
for four niggas for the Range Rover.
For the Range,
I don't know what the exit plan there, because there's like two. That's like small ass highway to get away, but
I don't fuck with Short Hills like that.
That's 2013. That was 2013.
Yeah, that was wild. Them niggas got real time for that shit.
Oh yeah,
like that's mad hot boy though. Why you robbing a nigga in a mall parking lot? Like, bro, it's 2013. Like for a Range, like you could literally go to Dykeman and rob 4 niggas for a Range. Like, and there's no cameras around.
They said they showed the alleged killer's SUV circling a lot 2 days prior to the carjacking before capturing the vehicle racing out the parking garage the night of his slaying.
Damn. So they pulled off a homie in the whip?
They followed another person in a Range Rover into the mall. Like, yo, let's get this nigga. When I was driving that, listen, niggas was taking, I was watching my back.
Oh, yeah, fam. My eyeballs live in the rearview. That's why I was like, shook driving that shit in this morning, because I was like, all right, like, I'm looking out for traffic, but I'm like really looking out for niggas trying to run up.
I was like, yo, I was in that Taco Bell on Connor Street. You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
I was like, niggas ain't about to box me into this bitch.
Nah, nigga, you getting run over and turned into a real chalupa, nigga, for real.
For real. And I'm still gonna get my tacos.
Fuck out of here.
Supreme, please, can I get a number 3?
Yeah,
can I get a Coke? And like, oh, yeah, it's Pepsi. And I'm like,
fine.
Fine.
Fuck.
Whoever wants Pepsi. Pepsi or Coke?
Coke.
Coke.
It's more adult. I feel like it's a more adult taste.
You know, low-key,
That's
they're about
just-
the same thing, but Coke, you know.
I feel like Pepsi's sweeter. I don't know.
Pepsi reminds me of America, and so it's kind of like, it's not really for me.
I'm not ready for it.
Coca-Cola, however, is red, like the blood of the ancients,
That's right.
and the innocent slaughtered by drones.
Drones.
That's what Coca-Cola is.
Damn.
I mean,
The blood of innocence
the blood of innocence
and cocaine. Did it really have cocaine back in the day? Is that a wives' tale?
No, it's not a wives' tale. Also, that's an offensive.
Old wives' tale?
That's an offensive phrase.
Old wives' tale?
A wives' tale?
Old wives' tale?
Only women can tell stories? Wow.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right, pal.
I thought you were. That's why Erica Badu called you Andrew Dice Clay.
First time, long time.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, your fucking head is the size of a comforter. Get out of my fucking face.
Whoa. This is a family. This is a family.
Badu, out of here.
Whoa, this is a family program.
Hey, what the fuck?
You gotta put some respect on the queen of Neo Soul over here.
Little Miss Badu sat on a wazoo. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa.
Get the
Hey,
fuck
cut
outta
this guy
here.
off. Cut this guy off.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome to WFAM. This is the Neo Soul Report. It's your man, Jermaine Gerardo Toast. Today we're going to be talking about Bilal. We're going to be talking about Common, Electric Circus.
Nice.
And we ain't taking the crates.
Strong follow-up to like Chocolate for Water, let me tell you.
And we're going to go into like, we might text some messages from the OK Player boards.
All right, let's get it.
You know what it is?
Shout out to
Up next, we
Reese.
got Questlove. He's going to play 13,000 drum samples for us.
Unbelievable.
Okay.
This guy's got Michael Jackson tracks that I never even heard in my life.
Today we are sponsored by Black Soap. Black Soap. It's
That's
sold
right.
by Africans.
That's right.
Up next, we got La Nubian. Playing one of the French songs that sounds kind of gay but nice.
It's nice.
When they're like rubbing on each other's nipples.
Yeah, you know, it's a little waxy
It's the
there.
Neo Soul Report, straight from Panorama. All right.
Let's get it.
We'll be right back.
Yeah.
WFA, yeah.
Let's Nubian.
Everyone is like, what the fuck? The Neo Soul Report. This is what they replaced Mike Francesa with? you gonna be tight when you turn down at 1 p.m. and they're playing fucking Flowetry. Whoa, what the fuck is this?
What the fuck?
Hey, first time, long time, say yes?
Yeah.
You give me butterflies? What the fuck is
What
this?
is this?
What happened to Mike?
Who's a Martian Ambrosia?
Who is this? The Flowetress? What is she? What kind of flow has she got?
What are you guys doing?
It's like a period?
What does that mean?
Whoa. Where's Mike? Someone give him a Diet Coke.
Come on, what's going on? Mike, you gotta come back.
Who's the Music Soul Child? What? All this. I'm looking at my fucking XM radio. All the songs, they're one word. There's no
is it?
spaces. What's with the punctuation?
That's not how you spell music, pal.
What? He has sunglasses on?
What's going on with this guy?
Why? This is like I don't know. This feels like
Huh?
I feel like I'm black and I'm in brunch or something.
What's going on?
This is terrible.
What is this, fucking Makosa?
I suddenly want to go to like Soul Cycle or
What's going
maybe
on?
go to like Soul Selection, Prospect Park.
Come on.
Whoa.
What the whoa, pal. I came here to hear hot takes about Chris Stapps, and now listen to fucking Jill Scott for 12 hours. Give me a fucking break.
Grits? What was that? What is a grit?
What's a grit?
WFA, yeah.
White people are like, what's a grit?
What's a grit? Hey, Mike, I just want to know what a grit is. I'm going to hang up and listen.
Why do you always talk about sweet and savory?
Nah, white people fuck with grits. They fuck with,
Shut the-
Remember, Southern culture is weird because things that we
that's
think are just all
right.
black culture
It's
because
white
we're
people.
from Yankees.
Yeah.
27 rings, suck my dick from the back.
Yeah, suck my dick from back.
No, the other type of
Got it.
Yankees. Which is also funny because like if you're from America and Jamaica, they'd be like, "You're a Yankee," and it's like, no, they're from down south. But you know what? That's neither here nor there.
That's fine.
Anyway, yeah, a lot of Southern culture that we think is only black people. No,
Straight white people.
white people fuck with grits. White people eat chitlin.
That's
What?
crazy.
Really? Eat chitlin? Yeah.
I think
No,
might.
black people eat chitlin.
Yeah.
I guess they might.
They might.
They might.
We're
fuck
just
with it.
speculating and
We're
shit,
just speculating.
like
We
the
don't-
Yankees.
Don't answer the question. That's another thing. If we don't know, we don't want to know.
Yeah, we
if we
okay.
gotten this far in life and we don't know a fact, like why would you burden us with the fact
The fuck
now?
do I need to know what people eat chilling for?
It's like when I found out that the elephants, they had that whole elephant preserve and they put blankets on elephants whose mothers were killed by poachers and
What?
shit. And it was like mad sad. And it's like little baby elephants playing, and because they'll get sun damage if you don't have the blankets over them. And like I didn't need to know that.
Oh, because they used to be like under the mother and shit, blood from the sun. Wow.
Yeah. And it's all sad, and they don't got their mothers, and they got to hold each other's tails as they like walk to the class and shit. Mad sad. Now look, you didn't know about that. Now you know
Orphan
about that. And your
elephants?
day is sad. They're
Damn.
orphans.
Damn.
They're orphans. No one's. You can't adopt an elephant. Like I tried.
That's a flex though if you got an elephant in the hood.
Nigga, let me be coming down the FDR drive with
On an elephant?
doing 30 miles per hour on an elephant.
just
Fuck
galloping?
that Range Rover, nigga.
That shit's just
That shit
galloping,
using
like,
his
yo.
trunk to signal and shit. Like,
Square water and the nigga next to him. and shit,
playing
like,
Mad
yeah.
J Balvin. They're like, yo, Desus, you want a pachyderm, nigga?
Oh shit, he's out here. Yo, nigga pulled up to Mama Sushi on the elephant, bro.
Oh,
yo, shit, nigga.
Dumbo edition, you know what it is?
Dumbo.
Fucking ears of suicide doors. Like, yeah. I'm like, yeah. You know how when the horses be in Times Square, they take the dump?
This shit just take the wild shit.
The wild shit. Just block up 2 lanes on fucking Dykeman. Cars gotta be like,
niggas in my body.
They gotta put up like safety codes and shit. Niggas got the flag like, go around.
Niggas tailgating you, just pull an elephant's ear, shit takes a wild shit on their fucking hood.
Should just crush your smart car.
Crush your fucking smart car, nigga. Hold that.
I just toss the keys to the valet, like, yo,
park my shit.
Yo, my nigga,
Hold
if I see
phone.
one fucking scratch on my pachyderm, that's your ass.
Fam. And I know every groove in this bitch.
Okay.
So don't come with me talking about that shit was there already.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Then come back mad drunk and shit. I got this push button to start.
Yeah.
Throw that nigga a peanut, like,
that's good, baby.
Let's go, nigga.
Yo,
they got easy pass on his forehead.
Put the shit on autopilot and shit. Like, yo, you good, baby.
I'm like, yo, you know the way home, right? They getting wild toppy on the elephant. Like, shit. Getting toppy on the elephant and not crashing it. She'll be like, that's your elephant? I'm like, yeah, mom.
You know what I'm saying?
Elephant kneels down to her and she feels like a queen.
You know what I mean? You get to the bar and shit, you just casually put your elephant key on the bar and shit. Like, yo, this nigga got an elephant. This nigga pushing an elephant.
I'm like, I got 2 elephants, though.
Yeah, what's good?
Yeah.
Got a 2 elephant garage at the crib.
What's up? It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm on my elephant, ready to creep. The fucking elephant is like Billy rocking and shit. Popping like it.
Oh shit, niggas do the Mario dance.
Oh shit, look at elephant. Get like elephant.
Oh shit, hey, no music.
Go, elephant.
Check the grooves in my skin, nigga. My shit's bad rough.
Yeah.
You got a wild like custom saddle and shit on that bitch. Like,
you got to. Like a Coogee shit. Flex that shit, nigga. I might get real Latino with it. Put the running lights underneath it for the different colors and shit.
Yo, get the Gucci saddlebags.
Might drop the elephant. Nitro.
Elephant crawling around on his knees and shit. Like
elephant got nitro. Got a little.
Just come out the shit's ass like.
Yo, tell me you were not scared shitless when that Range Rover shut off at the light though.
Yo, I was like, what I do? What I press?
So to save energy, the Range Rover shuts off at lights at any time you stop in traffic. Yep. And because we are broke boys and popped, I was like, fuck. They sent me the effective Range Rover. I was on the highway. I was like, yo. I was like looking to press the start button, and I pressed gas, and it was like, and I was like, oh, what kind of life is this?
Wow.
Ranger Tings.
Yo, that shit was fucking wild innovative. I mean, that's not innovative, but it was shocking.
The thing is, like, my car currently from 02. I don't know about all the technology and shit. The shit can give you a satellite view of your car. The shit,
fam.
This is devil technology, man.
The fucking parking assist shit is like wild, futuristic. Yo, fam, this shit's next level.
It's next level.
But yeah, like you said, like,
95K, 95,000. And then also they were saying that, they were saying like after like 5 years they become what they use on the Range Rover message boards, a Christmas tree. Because all the lights on the dashboard come on. But I was like, it's a digital dashboard, so I don't know how the dashboard lights could come on. You sound like you're talking about the old edition. You sound poor.
You sound poor. So please, if you're not talking about the screen dipping, let's talk about actual facts.
Took it up to Stu Leonard's. Got some fresh produce.
Oh, you gotta see the race. Come on.
Take
what
it.
Do you get? Come on.
Come on.
That's what it's made for.
That's what it's made for. The guy had on like driving shoes, no socks, khakis. I had the fucking sweater around my neck. I walked out with the fucking wicker basket. Yeah. Good day, sir.
Good. Hey, guys.
Where's your freshest pumpernickel?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
I'm looking for almond milk.
Oh.
Unsweetened, please.
Are these parsnips in season? I was looking for a vermouth, something dry. I'm having a few friends over tonight. We're gonna have a screening of This Is Us.
Oh, it's gonna be amazing. I can't wait.
I have Kleenex because I heard it's a tearjerker.
I'm preparing myself mentally.
I was wondering, can I round my purchase up to donate my change to needy kids? I'm feeling benevolent. I'm personally outraged that Get Out was called a comedy when clearly it was a documentary.
Unbelievable.
Excuse me, I have to go in my range.
I apologize.
I pull off playing Mad Smooth Jazz, some Najee and shit. Like, they're like, oh shit! And I pull to the side real quick, turn the music down.
What's up?
Put my hoop earring in.
Oh, almost forgot. Como started unless you pull the hoop earring in.
Hoop earring not on. Hoop earring not on.
Please engage. Hoop earring. Don't step on break.
Your pants are not boot cut. Your blazer is not velvet. Please acquire velvet blazer and then step on break.
Durango boots are needed to drive this car. I was like, ah, shit.
Damn.
Let me go get my brunch boots.
Yo, I'm gonna wait till the moment where I go in my dad's closet and take all his little zip ankle boots and start rocking them shits.
The little pointy shits looking like a villain on Cartoon Network.
Looking like I'm in Dexter's laboratory and shit. He's like, yo, what's going on with you, man? It's like, I got bread now.
That's how you know niggas get money. The weirder your shoes are. We gotta bring in those shoes that curl up at the top, the elf shit.
Oh my god!
What if we make that like the new look in New York?
So the new hot fire look. Niggas just
like
pull up with joggers.
the tighter the curls are.
Niggas come with the curly shoe and the joggers.
Y'all niggas can't see my curls.
Niggas go to the club. It's like, yo, no pointy shoes, no joggers.
Oh, what? Word. They got the big curls for no reason and shit.
Like, yo, chill. I thought it was bigger the curl. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga turn around, just knock two niggas over. Like, yo,
oh, shit.
Watch out for the curl. Watch out for the curl.
Make room for my motherfucking curl, nigga.
They're just sitting in VIP with no one else. Just you and your shoes. Like, oof.
Yo.
Knocking mad bottles off the table.
It says, hey, excuse me, your curl is in my way, my nigga. Excuse me.
You my curls way.
Fuck out of here.
My curls way. We definitely, though, we talk about all the time. We definitely got to get this hood by air, the double forward backward cowboy boot. Like, just make everyone claro. I want to see you drive the range with that. Because listen, you're going to hit the acceleration and the park at the same time.
Like, ah, shit. Yo. Just find 6 niggas over.
The car just going to put you to the side like, yo, my nigga.
Fam.
Are you going to be serious or not?
Come on.
It's going to go from the Range Rover. Please turn left with. So like, yo, my nigga, like straight facts. What the fuck is you doing back there?
Dead ass? You dead ass?
I'm a $95,000 vehicle. $95,000. You gonna be acting OD stupid back there? You gonna drive respectable?
Yo, dude,
I did the math. I know who you are. You're Murder Mero, okay?
Yeah,
you came up. You had a little fun run on TV, but act like you deserve this shit, okay?
All right. Odell told me to get these shoes though.
Yeah, listen.
Okay. All right.
At the next light, please turn left. He was like, yo, the car was talking about brazing. You bring it back like, yo, the car was talking about brazing me. They was like, oh, you gotta turn off brazing mode.
Yeah, you gotta turn off brazing mode. Come on, guys.
It's right here. You see the brazing button? It's on. It's right there.
Right next to the massage button. Come on.
Did you even read the DVD?
Did you? I gave you a sheet with an itemized list of features.
Oh my god!
Did you read it?
Did you read the manual?
Hell no, nigga.
That manual was thick. Yeah. That manual looked like fucking Cheesecake Factory meets Harry Potter.
As soon as I grabbed that shit, it looked like the GED fucking test prep book. I was like, nah, I'm good.
That shit looked like the book we used to get to pick a high school in New York City. You just like, yo, going through with your friends, like, yo, I'm going to Gompers.
Yo, it's a Gompers. Yo,
I'm going to Maury Beltram, my nigga. Yeah, we out here.
Shut the man Santa.
Matter of fact, I might go to an academy for pregnant chicks. Yo,
we out here. Shut the Jane Addams. Think I'm gonna be a nurse. Bitch, to be a nurse, you gotta go to school first.
Oh wow. Do kids even go to high school anymore?
I don't even know. I don't know. They just download an app.
I'm in that good part of life where because I don't have kids, I don't care about none of that. You can't tell me when school starts, when school ends.
I don't know.
If you ask me how many days on a Christmas vacation, I'd be like 42.
Yeah.
I don't know.
38. It's somewhere around there. I don't even need to worry. I'm like, yo, I'm not worried about high school. I'm like, yo, I got a ways to go until my kids are in high school, so I'm not even worried about that. High school, though, the application process is different in New York than it is in Jersey. I'm in Jersey. You know what I'm saying? So I don't even got to worry about that at all now because the kids are just going to go to wherever town high school I'm in. So I'm saying if I glow up and move to Fat Joe, Alpine Town, kids go to Alpine High. That's it. You know what I'm saying? You don't got to do
I don't care about any of that shit, nigga. I got no kids. I got sneakers is Seamless. My new album in stores now.
The Seamless come to the Seamless working?
I'll be in places where Seamless works, right? Don't make it hot. Okay?
Yo.
Seamless in the Bronx does not work.
It doesn't.
Because they come, last time I used Seamless in the Bronx, the food came, and usually Seamless, they give you your food, just go. Shorty kicked her foot at the door, like, pay me?
Yo.
And I was like, yo, I paid you that. They was like, nah, you pay in person. And I was like,
oh my
bullshit.
God.
I was
Someone
like,
pay y'all niggas twice?
I was like, well, let's go to the bodega. We go to the ATM.
The fuck?
She looked wild suspect. The guy was like, you all right? It's just like some Asian lady sitting behind me with her arm folded. I was like,
looking over his shoulder like,
I'm like, yo, don't look at my code. I was like, I have to break the 20, so Poppy, let me get a box of that's $6 now.
God,
I'm not paying that.
No, well, sorry, Papi. I told you.
You know what?
This woman, she looked like a police, so I had to charge you the full price.
Up the street is $1 less. Come on, let's go.
Well, so
and she's like, no, I'm double. I'm like, yo, you want your money or not? It's $1 less.
Go,
that
so
could be a tip.
Go ahead, go, China. Go with him. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. That's what the niggas do. Niggas just call you whatever nationality they think you are. Hey, Chino, ven acá. It's like, yo, man, I'm Korean. Like, no, Chino, ven acá. I won't lie.
My new bodega is not low because everything in it It says not marked for retail sale.
Individual retail sale.
And I'm like, low key, you can't be. I'm like, yo, how'd you bought the box of Airheads
from BJ's?
For BJ's for $8, and now you selling them each for a quarter? Like,
come on, B.
What's the science on that?
You G'ing off crazy right now,
and I feel like if you point that out, they gotta like cut the price down because that's low key. That's like, yo, I might go to the cops about this.
Nigga put on his glasses, like surprised and shit. Like, oh shit, espérate, déjame. Oh, the Morenito, you right. Oh, I'm sorry, papi. Oh my god, I'm sorry for that. Here, take the air for 10 seconds.
Yeah.
That's good?
Mm-hmm. Okay, see, now should change up and shit. Now niggas be like, hey, when you walk in.
Hey, papi, what's up?
They don't want no smoke.
Oh, your church is ready. You like it spicy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's good. Mm-hmm. Papi, ven, Mexico, tráeselo. He's like, I'm from Guatemala. No, Mexico, vaca.
He's just throwing nationalities on niggas. Oh, man.
But don't call Dominican anything else but Dominican because niggas will air you out. So that's
y'all need to grow up about that. They don't care about that. You're all rice and beans to us. In a good way. You're all delicious people. Funky people. Hard-working people. That's I don't care what Jeff Sessions says.
Shout out to the West Indies.
Shout out to West Indies.
You know
shout out to the East Indies. Shout out to all the Indies.
You know
shout out to Ruckus Records.
Shout out to Catch. Shout the fucking Malcolm Digital.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God. Free Max B.
Free Max B, recipes, Lil Peep.
Yo,
shout out to Narcan, the sponsor.
Yeah. Yo, man.
They said he had laced Xanax. They were laced with like fentanyl or heroin.
Yo, fam, like, yo, first of all, watch who you copying your drugs from. True. You know what I'm saying? If you gonna do drugs, I'm not gonna preach to you niggas. If you gonna do what you do, watch what you get. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm gonna say.
That's key.
That's it.
Also, if you doing wild Xannies and shit, keep some Narcan on you, dog.
Keep some Narcan.
This shit's over the counter now. They're throwing this shit at y'all.
That's what I'm saying.
And the shit's mad easy to use. This little bottle is like a nasal spray.
Yeah,
Keep it.
Read
keep it on you,
shit,
man.
Bro. Don't be mixing shit.
Don't die. If you out there living that pill life, man, we don't want you to die.
Nah,
Get
bro.
clean and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, recipes. He was young.
Don't mix your shit.
He was young.
Yeah, he was 21.
That's wild.
21,
like, you think of like Lil Peep and you think of Aaron Judge. They're both relatively.
Yeah.
How old is Aaron Judge? He's like
20. He's got to be like 22. He's I mean, you know what it is? The Yankees
25.
Oh, wow. 25. Goddamn.
Wow. That's
baseball rookie age.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That nigga's gonna be playing for another 20 years.
Mm-hmm. Good, strong, kind of white guy like that.
Yeah.
He got passed up for the AL MVP. I'm not beefing about it. All I'm saying is this should not have been unanimous. It should have been a lot closer.
It was a wild list. How you get 2 votes? Come on, bro. Look. Let me get on my soapbox.
Yep.
The MVP stands for most valuable player. It's very important because it's an important distinction because when LeBron didn't get the shit and Steph Curry won the shit and everybody was like, yo, how you going to say, yo, LeBron almost averaged a triple-double. How you going to say that he don't deserve this, da-da-da. It's the most valuable player on the team. So does your team suffer if they don't have this guy? If the Yankees don't have Judge B, we're not in the playoffs. You know what I'm saying? If the Astros don't got Altuve, they're straight. You know what I'm saying? They don't need that little baby nigga jumping off the booster seat to hit a double in the fucking ninth. You know what I'm saying? They got other people on deck.
Nigga called my fucking baby.
Fuck out of here. That nigga did not deserve to win that shit by a fucking landslide. But get out of here. It's like, oh, well, he did in postseason. Fam, it's for the regular season, bro.
That's right.
It's for the regular season.
That's right.
Players got nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
Fuck out of here. Oh, this guy couldn't hit a ground ball in playoffs. Suck my dick.
From where?
From the back.
Wow.
Fuck out of here.
There's little kids saying that. There's little kids saying that all over America. Little kids like, suck my dick from the back. Where'd you learn that from?
Yeah.
Sorry, America. We're ruining America's kids.
Listen, all I did was put a megaphone on this junior high school that I used to work on. That's all I did. You know what I'm saying? Just boosting signals from.
Okay, that was a while ago. All those kids are dead now.
All those kids are dead.
Push them to the ledge.
Yeah. Nah, actually, I see one of them at the chicken spot the other day.
Does he work there or does he own it?
Nah, I think he was selling drugs out of it, but that's neither here nor there. But he was
if the kids if the other kids in your life don't own property, now you failed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm like, you're 14 though.
All the kids I mentored, they own property. One of my kids just he invented Teslas.
Teslas one of your kids?
Yes. I used to take him. I used to big brother him after school.
Back in 1912.
Yeah, in South Africa. It doesn't check out, but it sounds good.
It sounds perfect.
Just put it on my Wikipedia page.
Yo. I haven't looked at respective Wikipedia pages in mad long.
You haven't what?
I haven't looked at our Wikipedias in mad long.
Well, when you're poppy, you don't need facts and stuff. Like, what's the last thing you've looked up? The last thing I looked up was like the cost of milk.
Yeah.
Just wanted to know what is it like?
What's it like? How does the other side live?
Do you know milk is up to $9 a gallon?
What? I don't know because I buy oat milk now.
Ooh,
you know what I'm saying?
How'd you double flex on me? Pretty sneaky, sis. Oat milk.
Oat milk, yeah.
What is
I
that?
went to Whole Foods and niggas act like they don't know what that shit was. I was like, bro, you better get with the times, bro. Oat milk is just, like almond milk, but with oats.
what I'm saying? And it tastes great over cereal.
They use their little fingers to milk the oats?
To milk the oats titties.
Wow.
They grab the oats udder. You know what I'm saying? And I don't care. I don't care that this shit's for baby oats. I'm using it.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
So you just be bathing in the shit or what?
Yeah, bro. Like I drink it, I bathe in it, like I rub it under my foreskin in the mornings.
That's good.
You know what I mean? Just to get right for the day.
Hey.
And there's no lactose in the shit, so I'm not farting up a storm.
Nah. Like I thought
protein and shit.
The whole thing about being lactose intolerant is it's not. I mean, it hurts your stomach and stuff, but you know what? Niggas is good enough to hear my farts. I'm just doing it for the culture.
You know what I'm saying?
If you can listen to my podcast, you can listen to my farts.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like it fucks up my stomach. If it was just farting, I'd be like, yo, you niggas got to deal with this because I like Fruit Loops way too much to give them up.
Fruit Loops.
You know what I'm saying?
Is that your favorite cereal?
Nah, I don't even know how I pulled that one out of my ass. I got like 4 of those plastic containers of cereal, and it's crazy because now niggas got cribs and shit like that, but I really felt like I made it when I was able to just get whatever cereal I wanted at the store. That's when I really felt like, yo, I'm doing it now. Wow. I'm not buying supermarket cereal anymore. I'm just copping the real Honey Smacks.
Honey Smacks.
Yeah.
Wow.
But nah,
So
my favorite
deep.
cereal is like probably Cocoa Pebbles. This shit's probably terrible for you too. Like I don't even read the shit.
Yeah, everything's bad for you. So
Yeah,
you can't.
everything. Yeah, you can't read
really
shit.
care
You
about
can't read
shit.
labels and instructions and shit. Like this shit's gonna kill you regardless. You want to die from some cool shit like a gun, nigga? You want to die from Fruity Pebbles? You decide.
Well, it depends because you might die quickly from the gun, while you might Fruity Pebbles. You might like lose a limb.
Yeah.
Then 4 years later lose another limb. Then you gotta have no lung. Then you can't go to Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's coming up, y'all.
Yeah.
Shout out to Thanksgiving, the new
Whoa,
sponsor
smooth segue.
for Square Cash this year. We are sponsoring. We'll give you money to give your whole family Thanksgiving and fly everyone in your family out to whatever you want to have them have. I'm being told that I have overshot and we are not doing any of that.
We're not doing any of that.
None of that.
As soon as it fly out, I was like,
We're not giving out score cash like that.
sorry guys.
Sorry.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. But enjoy your
have a good time.
Thanksgiving.
Have a good. Do you ever go out for Black Friday? No, right?
I'm too black to go out for Black Friday. What is it? No, I went out for Black Friday once with my sisters. No, that wasn't Black Friday. It was New Year's. It was stupid. No, I don't go out for Black Friday. That's stupid.
I always thought like, yo, I'm gonna go do because there's always this one thing. There's always one thing that's on like super duper sale that you're like, yo, when you're pop, you're like, yo, nigga, I'm either gonna get this shit for $3 or I'm gonna get it for $500 and stand online with a bunch of maniacs. So you being popped will make you have to go out on Black Friday.
Right.
So I went out to try to cop a vacuum. And what they don't tell you, yeah, seriously, because it was the Dyson shit though. The Dyson shit is like $500.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So I was like, yo, I'm gonna cop this shit. But they don't tell you, yo, we got 3 of these. There's 1,000 people online. You're not getting this shit. You're just gonna walk into the store and buy something at regular price and leave verklempt. You know what I'm saying?
Except for verklempt.
You know what I'm saying? So
yeah,
don't
that
go out on
all
Black
sleep.
Friday.
Some people love that shit. Some people love sleeping in front of stores, the rush.
Yeah.
It's like trampling niggas.
Yo,
like,
I got
no,
it.
you
No.
can go online and
Shit's
get the
not
same
fun.
shit.
And it's after Thanksgiving, my nigga. Like, what did you do on your Thanksgiving that going out at 5 a.m. the next day is a good idea?
Some people, it's fun to do with family. Like, you know.
Get trampled with your kids? Like, I'm good.
Listen, people, everybody, what you think is cool in your family, and you go spend time with other families, you be like, yo, every family be on some weird shit.
Some weird. That's,
Like, what you think is normal in your family is not normal in other people's family.
Yeah, and they're like, oh, that shit's weird.
Like, I'm sure there's some family out there, they have some game where they put yogurt in a sock and bop each other, and it's like a normal family tradition. And we're
Hey,
like, what the fuck
yogurt
is yogurt bop? And I'll come over and I'll be like, what the fuck is this? And they're like, you don't yogurt bop?
You don't, what? No,
Okay.
What the fuck is a yogurt bop? Bro?
And you know, maybe my family's tradition of passive aggressive text and not calling anyone on Thanksgiving, maybe that's not what your family does. But you know,
my family just gets wild drunk, and I'm you know what I'm saying? I partake. I don't usually get wild drunk, but like I'll get wild drunk around my family because I know somebody's gonna drive me home at the end of the night.
who's gonna drive you home
At the end of the night,
tonight?
it's 12 o'clock.
Can't go wrong singing the same old song.
Oh.
Who's gonna drive you home?
I heard that fucking stupid ass terrible song the other day. It's 1:15. I'm all alone and I need. I heard that shit at the mall 20 times. I don't even know what it is.
What song is that?
I don't know.
Is that a new song?
No. It's some old shit, and I heard it on like an award show, and it wasn't Mad Awards. It's like some country music trio. I don't know the fucking name. I don't know the name of the shit. It's 1:15. I'm all alone. I need you now.
Oh, okay, I know that
You
song.
remember
That's Lady Antebellum, Need You Now.
Oh my God! That's the
First of
worst
all,
song. I hate the song. It's
any
an
group
earworm.
named Antebellum,
Antebellum?
anything?
That's-
No,
yo,
thank you.
no, get that shit
thank
outta
you.
here.
Nope,
Bye.
nope.
Sorry,
Nope.
canceled.
If I'm driving the range, it's like turn left on Antebellum Road.
No,
Nope.
nigga, reroute.
That's how you end up in
reroute.
Get Out too. No, thank you.
That's when I hit the exit button on the GPS. Like, yo,
No, thank you.
No.
That sounds like Stars and Bars. Yeah, that song's from like 20 That song's from 09. Damn, that song's old as fuck.
Damn. And I've randomly heard that shit the other day, and it just like, it's like the range turned off and turned back on in my head. I was like, no! Get that shit out of my ear.
Nigga said, Lady Antebellum.
Nah.
Antebellum. Whatever happened to Hanson? They killed their parents, right? Remember?
Yeah,
With the shotguns, the Menendez brothers.
The Menendez Hansons. Yeah,
There's a corruption trial in Jersey. Senator Bob Menendez or whatever, and they keep saying the Menendez trial, and I keep thinking like
the Menendez
boys, they killed somebody else. I was like, why don't they just get their shit together?
Come on.
How many times are they gonna kill?
That was years ago. You guys haven't learned by now?
Moving out the path.
Come on, move forward. Stop killing.
Get it together.
How you kill your parents?
Easily. What? I mean, it's true. It's
easily. I feel like my pops would fuck me up if I try to kill him. I think he'd be like, yo, you trying to kill me, mama? Hey,
I mean,
mátame, coño. It's
definitely one of those you get one chance things. So my thing is not, they wouldn't be mad. It's just they just bring it up. They'd be like, so disappointed. Can't even kill right.
Remember you tried to kill me and you failed?
Like, you feel alive. You're like, fuck.
Damn, nigga.
Damn, nigga.
For real?
Why you never bring up all the good shit I did? Like, you know what I'm saying?
I took the garbage out last week.
Made a website once.
Please?
But you couldn't kill me.
You couldn't kill me. Oh my god.
It kills me that you couldn't kill me.
Motherfucker. Yo. Listen, if you got, look, if you
don't kill your parents.
Don't kill your parents, B.
Move out or move out.
Just move out.
Move out. Like it might not. Listen, moving out is gonna be rougher, but trust me, killing your parents is gonna be a lot rougher
in the long run. You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
you never know. Like you might.
Also, you gotta listen. Your parents are.
They just want what's best for you.
They're just trying. They're just two people trying to live their best life. You know what I'm saying? They you know. That's what they are. There's two people. Think about it. Your parents are just two people that came together and made a baby. Whether they love each other, whether they knew each other, whatever. At the end of the day, they didn't know what they were doing. No one knows what they're doing and making a baby. So they're trying. They're trying their best.
Come on.
So you're gonna cut them some slack. Because you know what? Your parents fuck you up. They don't mean to, but they do because they're also bringing in whatever fucked up shit their parents went through, so forth and so on. So you know, cut them some slack. Call your parents right now.
Call them.
Call them. 1-800-223-9797.
Oh my
Call them
God.
and tell them, is it hot or not?
Yeah.
Is this track hot or not?
Yo, Ebro, that track is trash. Don't ever play that shit again.
Okay, we got a knot.
Hey man, listen, y'all don't really appreciate hip hop if you can't appreciate this track right here.
Yo, Ebro, you never be playing like niggas from New York. You don't be putting up for the culture. You just playing like that whack shit. You be playing Drake.
Hey man, listen, Drake is hip hop. Okay, Drake is hip hop. I don't know how y'all feel, but for the culture, Drake is hip hop. You can't make a list of hip hop and not include Drake. Drake is the culture. Next caller. Fuck out.
They should replace Mike Francis with Ebro. What? Oh my God, that would be the greatest shit ever. Yo, Ebro, we need 10%.
Yo, what's good?
Oh man, oh my God.
Yo, hey, Ebro, first time, long time. How do you feel about Roldis Chapman? Doing a collab with Ray Shremmerd?
It's like, hey man, Roldis Chapman, man, I can't really co-sign him because of the stuff that he has going on. But Ray Shremmerd, man, they're cool little dudes, But as far as the culture, as far as that's Drake. Drake is the culture. Sing his culture 85 times and what I'm like, yo, okay.
Shout out to Ebro.
Like, nigga, what are you making yogurt back there, nigga?
Shout out to Ebro. Remember, if we flame you on this podcast, you should be honored.
You should be honored, bro.
We even mention you.
Come on.
That means you're relevant. We are the zeitgeist.
That means you're relevant to the culture.
Yeah. That's right. Because listen, there's a lot of people not getting flamed out here. And they wish they were. When we mentioned you, we're just bigging you up and introducing you to white.
Enjoy that.
Enjoy it.
You know what I'm saying? We're making you white famous.
You're the quinoa. We're bringing you to the hood.
Bringing you to the hood like sauteed kale.
We're gonna get crown fried chicken and offer quinoa as a side instead of French fries. Yo, Poppy, let me get a gyro with fries and a.
Oh, Poppy, I'm sorry, we don't have a fries. We have a quinoa.
Excuse me?
Quinoa.
What the fuck you call me?
Quinoa.
Nigga,
¿Tú no quieres quinoa?
I'll come through this.
Hey,
I'll come through this
hey,
book class.
No, Monito. Monito, take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy conmigo. I hit you with the quinoa.
Oh shit, quinoa. Like if you go in the hood, they're gonna be like, That's what the Q stands for, LGBT. I'm like, no, nigga. Like,
no, fam, no. That's terrible. That's
grain.
not.
It's a grain.
It's an ancient grain. My nigga has mad protein and shit.
It's an ancient grain.
I'm not eating no fucking ancient grains, bro. Stop trying to trick me into eating shit that niggas shouldn't be eating by calling it ancient and wholesome and fucking authentic. Fuck out of here, bro. Niggas already got me bamboozled me into drinking oat milk. I'm not drinking no fucking. Whoa, the fuck. What? I was like, yo, where the French bulldog his titties done? Like what? Yo, that's gonna be a mystery. Enjoy that subreddit.
Yeah. What did Desus show Mero?
What did he show?
You know, it's gotta have in jokes. That's what keeps. That's what keeps it alive.
That's right.
That's what keeps the Bodega Boys popping.
Yeah.
Often imitated, never duplicated.
Never.
You know what I'm saying? You can't get this, dog.
Nah.
Can't get this.
Raw.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas went from popped auto 4 trade, share Metro cards to side-by-side Range Rovers.
Yeah.
You too can live like Salvador Ferragamo. If you want to live a better life, start a podcast and then get a TV show like us.
Yeah.
That's it. It's that simple.
Step one, step two.
Step one, step two.
Yeah.
You spending money on Jordans. You got $200 for Jordans. Here's what you do. You take that $200, you register a domain name that you want the name of your podcast to be. Then you invent a product that the world needs. And you take that product, you release it all over the world. And then you don't hang with stupid people. You only hang with smart people.
That's it.
And then you buy multiple property with the $200.
That's it.
And there you go. You're a multimillionaire. You're welcome.
Motherfuckers doing the math on there like 200. How do I buy multiple property?
You know what? It's because you have that negative way of thinking, you're never gonna accomplish anything.
But $200, how do a property, right? You said property.
$200. You know what? $200 is your $200 in $1 million.
Yeah, I mean technically, yeah.
Yes. So what's stopping you from making it happen? If you can get $200 from $1 million, you can get $1 million out of $200. It's just that you have this negative way of thinking, and you're not eating healthy, and you're eating a lot of processed foods, and that's stopping you from the alkalies in your brain from allowing you. See, what the thing is, you have to buy property. What you want to do? Buy property, and you want to rent it out to people, and then you use that money to buy more property. So that's how you become a multimillionaire. It's very clear.
Damn, why'd I pay $60 for this real estate shit?
You got a free binder though.
The niggas will get you, bro.
Niggas will get you sitting there like, damn.
When do they teach me how to flip
At the end of it, you like, damn. So basically what you teaching me is I'm a sucker and I just wasted $80. So the real scam there is start ripping people off with scams about how to be millionaires and just read them Facebook memes all day.
All day, nigga, holla.
All day. Did you know the first millionaire was in Africa?
Boom.
People gonna be like, what?
What?
It was.
Yeah.
His name was Yakshman.
Yeah.
He had mad goat meats.
He was in the Kush region.
Okay? He invented currency.
You know what I mean?
Not the money, the rapper currency with the sign.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Jet life to the neck life.
You know what I'm saying?
You
know what I mean? Yeah.
Yo, it's been episode 89.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna call this one Range Tings.
Yeah.
Jesus Nice. A.K.A. Desus Vice, A.K.A. Young Chipotle, A.K.A. Pocket Say Fat Latero, A.K.A. Chris Ass Porcelain Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher's Movie Garlic, Slow by That Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Orlando, 1994, Mikkel Going Off, The Juve Boss, MC Lagoon P, Put Up for 40 with your shorty, A.K.A. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool, I don't know you. The original Rock Plus One got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Desus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Cha Coonery without the Coonery, A.K.A. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo K.
papi.
Fly Skate Michael Zaka, 3 Phone Jones, Jesus X Chakna, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bond is able to do 3 times. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240, P, because I like my peanut butter. DJ Willa, A.K.A. listening to Wash FM. Up next, we have Young Black Teenagers.
Oh, wow.
The Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hasper, and the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain him. Don't even grab some Tupperware. You ain't containing this, baby. The Human Meme, what the job? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budcuss, Nelson Mandela, Sergio KCB, Vladimir Buffon. Do you know the melting in your mouth, Mr. Beckside, Deckerton, Ricky Tiki Squad, B, Greg. Bitch. Smell that funk. Get in your nose. Yeah, it's a little funky. You know what I'm saying? Smell like chestnut. More say with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee.
He got that cucumber.
It's tick. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am not, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova. Hey, Casanova. The William H. Cent. 5 cents. 10 cents. Dollar.
Ooh.
Fuck out the small change. Give me big money. Why? Whenever I say that, you just got mad at me picking up the wild big girl. Just like, oh my God, Jesus, Puffy Jump, Pump the ladder. The only Now my salute is Dipset, Mr. Saga. Catch me at Square One, top left, man's is Marv. Chiz Rizzuto, holy cow, we're at the money store. Miss Smart Farms, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Sunny D, and it's me, Sunny D.
Yeah.
David, man. Mr. Shopping at Streeties with the bad breezes like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me, the black Asian addict. Rock your back like an automatic craft-o-matic. Mr. La Marina and Mess Marina with a fresh Mr. Marina and Code Demeanor, aka Problematic Bay. I agree with Kyrie Irving, the earth is flat.
Oh shit, hot take. Yo, that was a figure take. Plot twist, young black teenagers is actually white people, and you could not do that in 2017. You would get fucking ostracized crazy.
Oh my god.
Wow.
The think pieces are starting right now.
Oh, they're starting right now. They're long reads. It's your boy, the human durag flap, the kid Mero, aka the human durag flap. I said it twice because I'm nice. Aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa, aka Skirt Loader in the range. I won't run you over because the computer won't let me. AKA Jason Fantic, I'll ghost on you, shorty. AKA I'm a fucking baby, I'm fucking man. AKA check the guest list again, you fucking coward. My name is definitely on there right next to fucking Jonathan Taylor Thomas and fucking the other nigga from that show. What's his name? I forgot. But nigga, if you don't fucking let me in here, bro, I'm coming back with Elza. We shooting this shit the fuck up. And I'm not stepping to the side. Call Mike the promoter.
Yeah.
I watch several hours of people playing Minecraft on YouTube because I'm the fucking dad of the year, aka Bitch Smack Me Youngboy, aka Phil the Ass Tyson, aka Friday Night Messi, MVP of La Mota, Catch Me on Deck, aka Tom Brazy. Hey, your girl got my nuts kind of deflated, my balls are kind of deflated, but you know, it has nothing to do with HGH, man. I'm just working on my pliability and durability, you know, so it's really not, it's PDs at all. AKA the Dominican Dada, aka Bartles Santana, so smooth, aka Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami, so zany, let me black out. AKA Dick and your baby Matumbo, you know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now, huh? Okay? Fall the fuck back, my nigga. AKA Ben Boss and my hands are gifted. I'll replace your frontal lobe with a leather wallet from Sears that I got on sale. Now you can push it in your jail wallet, aka your anus and your head. You're welcome.
It.
Yeah.
Boof it. Boof it. Boof it.
Boof it. Yeah, Candy, show them how to boof shit. Yeah. AKA Lighten El Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That your broke ass ain't got five. So get the fuck out the cypher, nigga. This ain't BET, nigga. You can't come into the cypher with some whack shit. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'll open your fucking medicine academies. Please just secure your benzos. Cause this is it, man. It's got about a weed, AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport, AKA Nino Brown. I got the car to shut down. AKA Sandy Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA East Stream on Stevie B. I wanna be the one your DD is sucking. I thought Elvis Duran was Dominican too, Poppy. Don't worry. AKA pulling for 50. Doing a stupid dance with Russell Westbrook. Ain't shit to do out here, my nigga. I'm sad that I left New York, but you know what it is? I'm still doing it. Barmelo's Anthony for 3. Bang! AKA from across the pond, mate. Headline of Governor's Ball this year. You know what I'm saying? We're making a comeback. You know what I'm saying? Soon to appear on Desus and Mero. Most #1 show late night. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, trying to figure out if Little Pump is my son. AKA, fam, if you see me at Target, please respect my agency. Approach me like an earth-sign mammal. Do not ask me why I have a vacuum under my cart, nigga. I'm finna steal this shit. You know what I mean? Approach with caution. The Dominican Dada. Hasan, tírame la pista, que lo que fue. Llega la raza, mamá huevo, que llegó el maduro todo. Si tú te pasas, te sobo el peine como un salón. Te voy a tirar una vaina old school. Oye, el que está bajando caro soy yo. Así que acuéstate que tú estás cansado. No te pases de la raya que te explota. Episode 89, we out here, nigga. Catch me at LT on Friday, nigga.
You know what to do.
Yeah.
Bodega Boys in the building. Shout out as always. Red Bull Studios, Crystal Clear Clarity. And this is going to drop on Monday. So,
you're welcome.
Monday night, be sure to catch us. We're at the Stephen Colbert Show. That's right. Shit. Big Tings are going.
Yo,
see your boys on the big screen. You know this? The #1 show in late night goes to the #1 show in late night, I guess, on regular TV or whatever. But you know what it is. The brand is strong.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Cross the streams with the brands.
Big announcement. You know what it is. It gets bigger and better, baby.
Yeah.
We out. Holla.
Some stupid shit like, yo dog, what's the difference between a 4.0 and a 4.6? Like 30 to 40 grand, cocksucker, beat it.